I put a water balloon inside this dinosaur egg. Whoa. It's really, really, really hard. I bet it'll make a loud crunching sound and a big splash from the water balloon. Let's see. Did you hear the water go splash? Yeah, but the hard shell of the egg went crunch. That was really